In this video, we'll learn how to send a contract for information and for approval. You can easily do it using pre-configured document routes. First, let's send a document for information. This route is created so that the users involved in the process view the contents of a document and its parameters. We need to open the document view form, click this icon on the upper panel, and choose for information. Now we need to specify the recipients. There can be more than one. This checkbox allows you to assign the recipients a task to view the document. When they complete the task, their names will appear in the list of informed users on the document's view form. If you don't check this box, the user will simply get a message with the document in the activity stream, and no list of informed users will be created. In the comment field, you can write additional information for the recipients. Let's click Send. The users we selected will get the task to view the document. Now let's move on to sending documents for approval. The process starts the same way. We need to open the document's view form and click the icon. Then we need to choose for approval and specify the recipients. If we select more than one, additional fields will appear on the form. Parallel approval means that the document will be sent to all approvers simultaneously. Sequential approval means that the order matters. It is important in which order the selected users approve the document. As a result, the process won't go further unless the first approver makes their decision. Let's also configure what will happen in case the document is rejected. We can interrupt the process if one of the approvers rejects the document. We can also let the process continue. In this case, all specified employees will view the document and make their decisions, but the final resolution will be rejected. Now let's choose the approval due date and send the document. All the employees we specified will be assigned the task to approve the document. Now you can find information about the document's approval on its view form. The approval sheet can be exported as an Excel table. The table will have the document's name, names of the approvers, their decisions, the dates the decisions were made, and their comments. If an approver hasn't made a decision yet, there will be a question mark icon near their name in the approval sheets section. After they approve or reject the document, the information about their decision will appear there. If you click All Sheets, you'll see all approval sheets relevant for the document. Approval sheets can be archived if they are not up to date. This happens if new versions of the document were added to the system, or the document's parameters, for example the amount of the contract, were edited. Note that an approval sheet isn't archived if the document's status changes.